when one does this thing, complete dedication and complete surrender, when you become bereft of everything, there is nothing, there is nobody bereft of his friends, relatives. Nobody is there, no riches, no strength, no friends, relatives, bereft of everything. So who is there? Only Supreme Lord is there. So you take shelter. That is the test. That test, body passed that test. And his spiritual master also cursed. Yes, you cannot keep up your promise. You will be proved untruthful. You will go to hell and suffer there. Sukracharya already said that thing. Yes. Still he tolerated all these things. All right. Let me have this thing. Let me go to hell and suffer there. But I cannot give up my promise. I cannot be untruthful at any cost. I must keep up my promise. So completely surrender and sowed his head. This, he didn't give up his truthfulness. It was certainly, and that means the Supreme Lord admits this thing. It was certainly the pretension that I spoke about religious principles, but he didn't give up the religious principle, for he is true to his words. He passed the test. Supreme Lord pretended, Salayati Vikramani Balimadhuta Vamana. You understand? It's Salana, pretension. Supreme Lord pretended. But Bali Maharaj didn't give up the religious principle, he is true to his words. He tolerated all these things. All rebukes, all sufferings, all pain, everything, all insults, everything he tolerated. He got such strength to tolerate. This is the question. One should have such strength to tolerate this thing.